Throughout human history, there have been whispers of passageways, hidden doors between our world and realms unseen. Legends and ancient tales speak of portals to dimensions beyond our comprehension. Some call them myth. Others believe they are gateways to the unknown. What if these mysterious doors do exist? What lies behind them? And more importantly, how do we find them? We delve deep into the mystery of the doors to another world. From ancient civilizations to modern-day encounters, we unravel the enigmatic accounts of those who claim to have glimpsed into the beyond. Part 1. The Ancient Legends. Our story begins in the ancient past, where myths and legends laid the foundation for belief in otherworldly doors. In almost every culture, we find tales of portals, sacred thresholds leading to places not of this earth. In ancient Egypt, the duat was considered a gateway to the afterlife. The pharaohs and the priests believed that through the duat, one could cross over to the land of the gods. There were specific rituals to ensure safe passage through this door, and the journey was perilous. Could the Egyptians have stumbled upon a literal gateway? Or was this metaphorical, representing the transition between life and death? In Mesopotamian lore, we find the tale of the goddess Inanna, who descended through 7 gates into the underworld. At each gate, she was stripped of her power until she arrived at the final door. These gates, they say, were not merely symbolic. They were believed to be real passageways into the domain of the gods and spirits. Could it be that these ancient cultures were privy to knowledge we no longer possess? Were these doors actually ancient technologies, lost to time, that allowed access to dimensions we can only imagine? Part 2. The enigmatic doorways of our world. But the mystery of doors to other worlds isn't confined to myths. Across the globe, there are physical locations, doorways, caves, and natural phenomena that seem to defy explanation. In the remote mountains of Peru, there lies a stone structure known as the Gate of the Gods. According to local legend, this doorway is a portal to the land of the gods. In 1996, a man named José Luis Delgado claimed to have stumbled upon the gate and felt a strange vibration coming from it. He described seeing a glowing tunnel and hearing whispers. Was this an opening to another world? In China, there's a door hidden in the expanse of the Great Wall that has baffled historians. Known as the Ghost Gate, this peculiar opening leads to a sheer drop off the side of the wall, seemingly going nowhere. However, legends speak of soldiers who disappeared after entering this gate, never to return. And then there are the vortexes, like those in Sedona, Arizona, places where people report feelings of spiritual awakening, altered consciousness, and even glimpses into parallel realities. Is it possible that natural formations are not just anomalies, but doorways waiting to be unlocked? Part 3. Modern encounters with dimensional doors. In modern times, the accounts of doorways to other worlds continue. People from all walks of life report strange encounters with portals that defy the laws of physics and reality itself. Take, for instance, the countless stories of hikers and explorers who claim to have stumbled upon invisible doorways in forests and wilderness areas. They describe a sudden change in atmosphere, a drop in temperature, a disorienting sensation, and then a shimmering doorway appears before them. And of course, there's the infamous Bermuda Triangle, where ships and planes vanish without a trace. Some speculate that this region is home to a powerful portal, an unseen door that transports objects and people to another dimension. Could this explain the eerie disappearances? Part 4. Scientific theories. Are portals possible? Though the idea of doors to other worlds may seem fantastical, some scientists are beginning to explore the possibility of these gateways through the lens of quantum mechanics and theoretical physics. Could it be that what ancient cultures called doors to the gods are what modern physicists call wormholes? Wormholes are theoretical passageways through space and time, connecting distant points in the universe or even different universes altogether. While still speculative, many believe that if these phenomena exist, they could serve as doorways to realms beyond our own. At CERN, scientists are pushing the boundaries of what we know about dimensions and particle physics. Some even suggest that experiments like those conducted at the Large Hadron Collider might open small, temporary doorways to other dimensions. Could we be on the verge of discovering how to unlock these mysterious portals? Part 5. The psychological and paranormal aspects. Not all doors to other worlds are physical. Some believe that altered states of consciousness, through meditation, psychedelics, or near-death experiences, can unlock doors within the mind that lead to other dimensions. Psychologists have long studied the human mind's ability to create alternative realities. But what if these are not mere hallucinations? Some who have had near-death experiences describe passing through a tunnel, a classic symbol of a portal, only to emerge in a world beyond our own. Sleep paralysis victims often speak of feeling trapped between worlds, unable to move, as if they are caught at the threshold of a doorway they cannot cross. Is this a psychological phenomenon, or are they standing at the edge of another reality? Part 6. Doorways in popular culture. The idea of doors to other worlds has captivated humanity for centuries, and it continues to inspire our imagination in popular culture. From the portals in Stargate and Doctor Strange to the upside-down world of Stranger Things, storytellers have woven tales of doorways to alternate realities, pushing the boundaries of our collective imagination. What is it about these doors that fascinates us so deeply? Is it just fantasy, or are we on some level acknowledging a deeper truth? Part 7. The search for the truth. So where does that leave us? Are these doors to other worlds merely the product of our imagination, or do they hold a kernel of truth? From ancient myths to modern science, humanity has been on a quest to find these gateways. Perhaps the doors are not physical at all. Perhaps they exist within us, waiting for the right moment to be unlocked. One thing is certain, the mystery of the doors to another world is far from solved. We may never know what lies on the other side, but the allure of the unknown will continue to draw us closer, tempting us to step through into the great beyond. Conclusion and call to action. Do you believe in the doors to another world? Have you ever experienced something unexplainable? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more mysteries, unsolved secrets, and journeys into the unknown.